So you can see it. Fix it. Everything is perfectly okay. So there's. Hi guys, do you know that you can install reverse camera on this type of radio? Come with me. One radio that is a reverse camera, like you see it now. There is not reverse camera. Yeah, we are going to install reverse camera. Come with me.
To confirm whether your installation works normally, then you need to on ignition or start the car, then test the drive. Reverse. Yes, perfect. You can see it. See my tools. So any person that needs something like this, we used to do it. You need, after I fix it, let me test it. Yes! Can you see it? Orange. Wait, it's another one. It's another one. But,
follow us for more like and share. You can see it. I'm going to install a reverse camera.